US trade deal. While India and the US announced a trade deal reducing duties on Indian imports to 18%, some ambiguity still remains on how much tariffs India agreed to cut down for the US. India has also not confirmed Trump's claim that New Delhi would end oil trade with Russia. After months of negotiation, India and the US recently saw a big breakthrough in their trade ties as they announced a deal effectively reducing the US tariffs on Indian import to 18% from a whopping 50% that was imposed back in August 2025. People aware of the development have told Hindustan Times that the deal not only exponentially cut tariffs but also exempt Indian dairy and sensitive agriculture items from its ambit. Besides, Indian goods worth 10 billion US dollar may get a zero due to every entry into the US, according to US Annexion 3rd, which is potential tariff adjustment for aligned partner. As stated in an earlier H3 report, about 2,000 products and sectors such as natural resources, coffee, tea, fruits such as bananas and oranges, tomatoes and fruit juice are eligible for reduced or zero duties under PTAAP. The trade deal has led to a war of words between the central government and the opposition, who on Tuesday demanded a discussion on the trade deal and asked the government to share the details in the parliament. The US reportedly doesn't levy any tariff on these items for anyone. Washington DC on Tuesday, where the two leaders welcomed the trade deal reached between PM Narendra Modi and President Trump and discussed steps to formalize bilateral cooperation on the exploration, mining and processing of critical minerals. Benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty were trading higher in early trade on Wednesday, building on previous day's sharp rally amid fresh foreign fund inflows and positive sentiment. Following the India-US trade deal, PTI reported a sharp decline in IT stocks, however, restricted the rally in the market. Both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump have confirmed that India and the US have arrived on a trade deal, as part of which Indian goods will face a reduced US tariff of 18%. The figure comes out after the removal of 25% additional penalties that were imposed on India, citing its oil trade with Russia and the reduction in reciprocal tariffs of 25% to 18%. While there hasn't been any details from India on it, Trump has also claimed that under the new trade deal, New Delhi has agreed to buy American goods, including energy, worth more than $500 billion. After the announcement on the trade deal, US Trade Representative Jamieson Greer said in a post on X that India would lower tariffs on several American agricultural and industrial goods to 0%, a claim not confirmed by Indian authorities so far. Not just Greer's claim on zero tariffs on some US goods, India has also not confirmed Trump's claim that PM Modi has agreed to end the oil trade between New Delhi and Moscow. The energy trade between the two countries was cited as a reason when Trump doubled tariffs on India to 50% back in August 2025. Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that the sensitive agriculture and dairy sectors were safeguarded in the trade deal with the US. However, he also reportedly said that the pact will boost labor-intensive and export-oriented sectors. Jamieson Greer also told CNBC in an interview that India was protecting agricultural goods and a strategic agreement will accelerate global growth and innovation, says Goyal. This strategic agreement with the world's largest economy, which will accelerate global growth and innovation in the coming years, is in the larger interest of the people of India and the nation. It strengthens both a developed India and a self-reliant India. We will continue to work relentlessly to translate this vision of the Honorable Prime Minister into reality for our country, Goyal said in the Rajya Sabha. India and US deal as opposition criticized the trade deal. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal said in the parliament on Wednesday that the lower tariffs will increase the competitiveness of Indian exports in the US market. I want to emphasize that the tariff imposed by the United States on India export is lower than those imposed on many competing countries. This will increase the competitiveness of Indian exports in the US market. This agreement provides significant comparative advantages to Indian exporters, especially in labor-intensive sectors and manufacturing. He said, India-US trade deal complements India's manufacturing push under the PLI scheme, supports export diversification, and advances its goal of moving up the global value chain, says a report by Access Direct. For the US, India represents a large and dependable market as well as a strategic manufacturing alternative in key sectors. The report noted that for Indian market, the deal aligns well with its manufacturing push, export diversification strategy, and ambition to move up the global value chain. For the US, India offers a large, reliable market and a strategic manufacturing alternative in critical sectors. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal on Wednesday assured the Lok Sabha MP that India had successfully safeguarded the interest of the agriculture and dairy sector in the trade deal with the United States. Since PM Modi's visit in February 2025, the two nations have been discussing a balanced and profitable trade deal. In the last year, negotiators from both sides have held talks at several levels. It is obvious that looking at their respective economies, both nations would like the best result to safeguard the sensitive economic sectors. India has been successful in safeguarding the interests of sensitive sectors such as agriculture and dairy. The US also had some sensitive sectors. After 1 year of talks, negotiators from both sides ensured the trade deal, Goyal said. Thank you.